Sick of your workshop dragging? Check out 10 Amazon woodworking gadgets that cut setup times and boost your woodworking pace. This video continues our woodworking gadgets series as part 6. After you watch, make sure to check out parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 linked in the description below. Milescraft 5340 JointCAM Pro. It helps you align joints, and this magnetic doweling jig centers itself and works with 30mm dowels using a dual pin setup. It has strong magnets to center itself, adjustable rule stops, and fits stock from 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 inches thick. You can use it to build shelves, cabinets, or frames with joints you can't see. You can set it up in no time to line things up, which makes gluing go 5 times faster. It weighs about 2 pounds, so you can take it anywhere. Tests show it does a great job with edge, corner, and surface joints. You can buy it on Amazon for $49. Powertec 71489 Deluxe Woodworking Workbench Vise. It is a tough bench vise with quick-release jaws to hold work instantly. It has a 7 inches jaw capacity, 360-degree swivel base, rapid slide bar, and cast iron construction. This vise works well to clamp boards for hand planing, carving, or assembly on benches. Family handyman tests show it locks in 3 seconds. It can hold over 1,000 pounds. Popular Woodworking reports it improves solo work efficiency by 40%. You can buy it on Amazon for $79. But what if tidying up could be as quick as setting up? Keep watching to learn about a device that starts working in just 1 second. Shop-Vac 5989300 all-around plus wet and dry vacuum. It is a small Shop-Vac built to handle woodworking dust with tool-triggered power. It has a 4.5 peak HP motor, an auto on and off sensor, and an 18-gallon capacity you can upgrade. It also works as a blower. This makes it perfect to clean up its saws, sanders, or routers while you work. Wood magazine tests show it turns on in 1 second when you trigger the hose. It catches 95% of fine dust on the first try. Amazon data and family handyman reviews confirm it doubles the life of filters. You can buy it for $129. Fulton Precision Miter Gauge. It upgrades your table saw with micro adjustments for perfect angles. It has 45 to 90 degrees positive stops, a laser engraved scale, and an adjustable fence up to 24 inches. This tool works great for crosscuts on frames, moldings, or panels that need exact miters. You can set it up in 20 seconds, according to popular woodworking tests. It gets rid of slop, making it 3 times more accurate for repeat cuts. Family Handyman says it glides on any table. You can buy it on Amazon for $89. Next up, we'll look at a blade that cuts hardwoods 50% faster without leaving burn marks. The test results will surprise you. Amana Tool 46182 Spektra Extreme Nano Circular Saw Blade. It packs a punch for cordless saws. This 7x1 by 4 inches carbide blade boasts a nano coating and 24 alternate top bevel teeth. It has a 5 by 8 inches arbor and polytetrafluoroethylene coating to prevent gumming. You'll find it handy for cutting plywood sheets or framing lumber at work sites. Woodworkers Journal tests show it slices through hardwoods 50% quicker. It keeps its cool, doubling its lifespan. Fine Woodworking reports it leaves no burn marks. You can grab one on Amazon for $39. When BG4280T inches slow speed bench grinder. It offers variable speeds to sharpen chisels, planes, and tools. It comes with LED lights and has a top speed of 2,750 revolutions per minute. This grinder includes a bendable work light, a sturdy cast iron base, and a 1x2 horsepower motor. It's perfect to touch up edges before you start joinery or planing. Wood magazine tests show it can sharpen tools in about 30 seconds. The grinder gives off exact LED light and runs without shaking, which lets you work for long periods without getting tired, as noted in popular woodworking. You can buy it on Amazon for $99. Do you give your tools a regular sharpening or wait until they're dull? Be real and drop your answer in the comments. Pony 54N Heavy Duty Cabinet Claw. It lets you square doors and panels with one hand while the glue sets. It packs a 300 pounds. Clamping force, has a 3x1 by 2 inches throw depth, comes with swivel pads, and sports an easy-to-use trigger. This tool shines when you need to line up cabinet doors, face frames, or boxes by yourself. Fine woodworking tests show it squares assemblies in 10 seconds flat. It spreads pressure to create perfect joints. Amazon reviews highlight its portability for mobile workbenches. You can grab one for $29. Diablo D0860X 8x1 by 2 inches trim saw blade. It cuts with precision for miter and track saws. It boasts stabilizer vents, 60 alternate top bevel teeth, a slim 0.055 inches curve, and slots to reduce vibrations. This blade works great to trim cabinets, moldings, or finish plywood. Popular woodworking tests show it produces finishes ready for assembly without sanding. It cuts through materials twice as fast. Family Handyman reports it runs vary. You can buy it on Amazon for $49. Quick reminder, you can find parts 1 to 5 of the series linked below if you want to set up everything. Grizzly T10117 Cordless 18V Random Orbital Sander. It comes with a brushless motor and a dust-sealed switch that allows for long runs. It has a 5 inches pad and adjustable speed from 8,000 to 12,000 oscillations per minute. The package includes a 2 ampere-hour battery. This tool works well to smooth out tabletops, chairs, or surfaces before finishing. This sander outpaces corded competitors by 30% in speed, as would magazine tests show. Its battery lasts 45 minutes per charge. Woodworker's Journal points out its comfortable low vibration grip. You can buy it on Amazon for $149. Irwin Tools 3051000B Speedbor Extended Length Spade Bit Set. It includes 6 long spade bits to make deep, clean holes in wood. These bits have shanks up to 18 inches long, 3 times longer than standard bits. They come with a self-feeding screw tip and range in size from 1 by 4 inches to 1 into 1 by 2 inches. This set works great to drill holes for lags, dowels, or hardware in thick timbers and beams. Tests by Fine Woodworking show these bits can drill 4 times deeper without wobbling. They push out wood chips right away, which allows for smooth drilling. Amazon lists them as heat-treated to last longer. You can buy this set for $34. Get these 10 woodworking gadgets that make you faster to change your workshop right away. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.